Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss miscellaneous exercise of sets from question number 13. I have already discussed from question number 1 to 12 in some previous classes. You can check the playlist. Now look here. Question number 13. In a survey, 600 students in a school, 150 students were found to be taking tea and 225 taking coffee. 100 were taking both tea and coffee. Find how many students were taking neither tea nor coffee. That means here total students 600. Out of 600, 150 students were found to be taking tea and 225 taking coffee and 100 were taking both tea and coffee. How many students were taking neither tea nor coffee? That means you have to find first students have taking either taking tea or coffee. So write down solution. Let A be the set of students taking tea. Taking tea, let A, you can write tea also, or you can write another letter also you can give. Next B, be the set of students taking coffee. Now here, this is the universal set U, this is U. Here, therefore, number of U 600, number of U 600 and number of A 150, number of B 225 and number of A intersection B taking both tea and coffee, that means intersection 100. Now we have to find union first, therefore number of A union B, number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. This is the formula. So put the values. Number of A 150 plus 225 minus 100. So after simplification, you got here 150 minus 100, that means 50. 50 and 225, that means 275. 275 students taking either tea or coffee. That means you have to find now neither tea nor coffee. So therefore this is the complement, number of A union B complement, number of U minus number of A union B. This is the neither tea nor coffee. So 600 minus 275. So you can write 5, 2 and here 5, 325 students taking neither tea nor coffee. Lastly write down therefore 325 students taking neither tea nor coffee. Neither tea nor coffee. Right on. Next, number 14. In a group of students, 100 students know Hindi, 50 students know English and 25 know both. Each of the students knows either Hindi or English. How many students are there in the group? That means you have to find the union. Here given each of the students knows either Hindi or English. That means you have to find the union. Write down solution. Let, you can write A or A's. Let A's set of students know Hindi. Next, E set of students know English. You can write A, B also. Therefore, number of A's here given 100, number of E 50. Number of 25 know both. That means intersection A's intersection E equal to 50. You have to find the union. Therefore, number of A's union E, number of A's plus number of E. This is a formula, minus number of A's intersection E. That means number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Now put the values. Number of A is 100, number of B 50 minus 50. Sorry, number of A's intersection E here 25. So put here 25. So here 125. After calculation here 50 minus 25, 25, 25 plus 100, 125. So therefore you can write 125 students knows either Hindi or English. So I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, write a nice comment and don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.